So this is Cobbo here, Elizabeth Keith again, and this is the Elizabeth boat. It's slowly coming. Let it go. There she is. That big booty brother. Dun 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 dun. Isn't she beautiful?
Brayden, come here.
Shut up. There is one big boo.